Hey guys, it is Garrett Stewart with Command Consult, and it's time for another great video. And today we're going to be talking about sending your consumer magazine created and designed through Command and sending it out to your database as a digital version. Now, some of you may be sending this as a printed version, and you can definitely do that, but getting extra exposure with a digital version is a great way to get even more exposure out there. So what I'm going to do with you today is show you how we can send out a nice looking email, and I have created a template for you to use to get that going. So we're going to hop over into Command and start in the SmartPlans. We'll click SmartPlans, and from there we're going to go over to Library. From Library, we're going to scroll down. We could scroll down and look at all the options on here, but to save time, we're actually going to go and click on type in Magazine. Once you type that in, you're going to see my video mine right here, Garrett Stewart, Spring 21 Magazine Promo Email. You can hit Add SmartPlan, and you can download it right from there. Now, I already have mine downloaded, so it's already popping up there. So I'm going to hop over to my SmartPlans. It'll automatically pop up over here, and you can have it. So there it is. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to need to edit it. So we have it right here. We're going to click this little pencil button, which is to edit it. From there, you can actually just hit these three dots here. Now this subject line, you can completely change. So however you want to send this out, you just change. But what we're gonna do here is click these three dots, and we're gonna hit Edit Design. We're gonna hit Got It, and that's gonna pop us right into the editor. Now notice that all of this is editable. I've created this so you can change out any part of this text that you want. If you want to highlight anything else in here, if you don't want to highlight the first quarter market review, maybe you did something else in your magazine instead, that's fine too. Any way you want to go about it, you can do it right here. And then what's most important before sending this out is you need to make sure to change your link. Now, you can either put a link right in there, or what I have is I have the button, and what we're going to do is we're going to embed that code or embed that link right into this button. So when they click the button, it takes them right to it. So what we're going to do, we can click this button and hit that pencil button, and we're going to go over here to link to. So from there, we're going to go down to web address, and now we need that website address. And then I'm just going to utilize the digital viewer that is through Designs. You can use your own if you use, there's Issue, there's a couple other programs out there that you can utilize, whether paid or free versions of like magazine viewers. Whichever route you go, you just need a link to that digital magazine. So again, I'm just going to show you the method to get the free version directly through Designs. And we just hit Share the project, and we're going to copy that link right here. Now let me show you real quick what that looks like. I'm just going to open that up in a new tab, so I paste that code in there, and this is what it looks like. So they can just go and they can click through right in there and look through all of the numbers. So really cool way to do that. Now I'm going to go back here. I have that code copied, and I'm just going to paste that right there. Now that we've got that embedded in there, we can hit done. We can change the color if we want to, but I'm happy with that. Read now, and we just need to change this text here because I just have this as a little reminder to insert that link. So we're going to just hit that pencil, and we can just delete that text. Now hit done. There we go, and we're all set. So you can hit that little eyeball to just kind of take a quick look at it. Make sure it all looks good, fills in well. This information will fill in directly from your marketing profile in settings. So if anything does not look right, you'll need to go to your marketing profile to fix that. If you want to change any of the fonts, you can edit the fonts. You can edit whatever text it is. It's all customizable for how you want it. Once you're all done, you're going to hit Save and Exit. And now that that's done, it's time to send it out. If you wanted, again, to add anything else into this, subject line, you can change it. I always suggest less is more, so I want to add more necessarily to it. If anything, maybe even make it shorter. Up to you. Now, I always test it on myself first before sending it out. So I normally actually hit this little person and I add myself to it. So I'm going to go in here and I've got my one that I send it to here, and I'm going to hit add to SmartPlan. And I start now because it's going to send to me immediately. And that way I can just make sure it's sending properly. I do this to every single SmartPlan I create just to make sure. As we wait for that to come through, I'll go show you under contacts how you're going to send this out to your contacts. So under your contacts, you're going to let that load in. There it is. And you're going to decide who you want to send it to. Now, it's easiest if you make sure you're showing 500 at a time, so you can just click that, make sure 500 is showing, and then depending if you want to filter it at all to show certain ones, maybe I want to only have people tag newsletter do it, I can filter it by newsletter. However that is, once you filter it down and show the people you want, you can just select that box and have that continue. Then you're just going to select bulk action plan, add to SmartPlan, and there is the spring magazine. I'll hit select and go from there. Now, you can have it send immediately. You can have it start, if I wanted to send out tomorrow or maybe on Monday, the next week or something like that, I can do that as well. You can choose a specific date. If I wanted to stagger it over a couple of days just so it's not as overwhelming to go out on the system, we can just split it out that way. So whatever preference you have, you would just confirm it and it would send out from there. And that's how quickly and easy it is to do that. Now, let me show you real quick what that email looks like. And here we go. So we've got that in here. We have all the little teaser stuff in here, and there we go. And as you can see, I hover over there, and that is linked. So if I click it, it'll take me right over to the magazine. So super cool way to get that out there to more people to look at. So I hope you guys appreciate this video. Please, if you want to check out that template in the SmartPlans library, please download it, use it. Feel free to review it, give it a 5-star. That's always awesome to help more agents find that. And if you need more command training and support, you can always find my videos and support at commandconsult.com. Thanks so much for watching and have an amazing day.